Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to crochet this beautiful square patch with a circle inside. So let's get into the video. I am using a 5mm crochet hook for this project and a 3-ply cotton yarn. You can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. And then with the help of crochet hook, we would make chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the very first chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into this ring and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 2 into the ring, then make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and double crochet 6. In this way, make 6 more double crochet stitches into the ring. So I have made total of 12 double crochet stitches into this chain ring. Now we would make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch right here. And our first round is completed. Now for the second round, make 2 chains. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the same stitch where we have made our slip stitch and then draw a loop to make a double crochet stitch. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then through other 2. Now we would make another double crochet stitch into this same stitch. Now go into the second double crochet stitch, make a double crochet in it, then again make a double crochet stitch into this same stitch. Now make a double crochet into the third double crochet stitch and make another double crochet into the same third stitch. Now make 2 double crochet stitches into the fourth stitch. So in this second round, we would make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the double crochet stitch of first round, and we would just complete this round this way. So I have completed all double crochet stitches for the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch of this round, and second round is also completed. For the third one, make 2 chains again, and we would make a double crochet into this very first double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. This is our simple stitch. Now into this stitch we would make 2 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2. Now go into the third stitch and make 1 double crochet, then into the fourth stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches, into this same stitch, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet, and into the next one make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So in this way, in the third round we would make 1 double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet in the second stitch, and repeat the process and complete this third round. So all double crochets of third round are made. Now we would change the color here to make this circle a square shape. Take this white yarn, make a slip stitch, and we would make a slip stitch with this white color yarn into this double crochet stitch, the very first double crochet stitch of this third round. Now pull this yarn and start working. Make chain 1 and then chain 2. This chain 2 will be counted as our half double crochet stitch. We would take these two yarn strands inside our work so that we don't have to weave them separately. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the second double crochet stitch and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. We would pull the yarn through all 3 loops together. This is called our half double crochet stitch. Now into the next stitch we would make a double crochet, pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. On to the next one, make another double crochet stitch, and after that in the next 2 stitches we would make stitches for our corner. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook twice like this, and then go into the very next stitch, draw a loop. We have 4 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then through other 2 loops, and then again for the last time through other 2 loops. This is called our treble crochet or triple crochet stitch. Make treble crochet, second time into the same stitch, then make treble crochet 3 into this same stitch. Now we have 3 treble crochets in one double crochet stitch. Now make 2 chains, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook 2 times again, and we would work into the next stitch now. So make treble crochet 1, then treble crochet 2, and the last one is treble crochet 3 into the same stitch. So our first corner is ready. Now you can just cut these yarn strands, cut this starting yarn strand also, and now we would make 2 double crochet stitches in the next 2 stitches. So make a double crochet in the next stitch and make double crochet into the next stitch. We are done with 2 double crochet stitches. Now on to the next stitch, we would make a half double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through all loops together. Now make half double crochet 2 into the next stitch, then make half double crochet 3 into the next stitch like this. Now we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches also. So here is our double crochet stitch 1, and into the next stitch here is our double crochet 2. Now from this stitch we would start making our other corner. So start making a treble crochet stitch. This is treble crochet 1. Now make treble crochet 2 into the same stitch. Then make treble crochet 3 into this stitch. Make 2 chains and then make treble crochet 1 into the next stitch. Then make treble crochet 2 into the same stitch, and the last one is treble crochet 3. And from here on we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches. And then make half double crochet stitches into the next 3 stitches. We would get 3 half double crochet stitches this way, and then again we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches. And after that we would make corner by making treble crochets, then on this side also till the end. So I have made these 2 corners. Now from here on make 2 double crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches. And then we have a double crochet here. We would make a half double crochet stitch here to get exact 3 half double crochet stitches on this side too, including this chain 2 and the next half double crochet stitch. Now we would make a slip stitch into this chain 2 and our patch is ready. Pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and then remove the extra yarn strand. Now we would weave this yarn end at the back side of our patch with the help of tapestry needle. Pull the needle through some stitches of back side and then cut the extra yarn strand. Our patch is ready. You can use this patch to make baby blankets or cushions or in other projects too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.